For grinder remote control operation method. Machine connection aviation socket. Left rotary knob. At this time, the electricity meter displays 24 volts. Left rotation is remote control operation. Right rotation is manual operation. Press the button to start the remote control. At this point, the screen opens. Turn the emergency stop knob clockwise to open the emergency stop. The emergency stop on the machine should also be started simultaneously. Display run to proceed with construction. Press the emergency stop button to display the emergency stop status. Clockwise opening to start the machine. First, open the grinding. The middle gear is in a stop state. Push forward to display the grinding. Disc is starting to rotate. Then the knob accelerates. At this point, the chassis rotates. Push the machine forward. Retreat. Turn left. Turn right. Push forward first. Knob forward acceleration driving. Backward operation. Lighting button. Left turn operation. Right turn operation. Press the emergency stop button to stop the machine from moving.